Setting up and managing your TP Control devices via TP Cloud delivers many advantages, streamlining your processes, reducing your on-site costs, while also improving accessibility and flexibility for managing devices. The process is easy, and in just a few minutes your device will be set up via the cloud and ready to connect to an AMX system. To get started, visit tpcloud.touchpanelcontrol.com and sign in with your TouchPanel Control account, or register as a new user. Once you're signed in, tokens issued through TouchPanel Control automatically appear in your dashboard. If you purchased your tokens from an AMX distribution channel, then you'll need to add them. Simply fill in your token details and it's done. Indicators on tokens inform you of their status. An icon with a blue plus shows the token is not yet registered to a device. A timer icon shows it's a trial-based license, and a star icon shows that it's a full license. It's useful to label and group your tokens to keep your system organized. Enter a token name and hit save. Then create a group label and tag and nest your token within it. This makes filtering and searching easy when working with large token sets. If you're lost or just eager to learn more, view the helpful tips around your screen. Now that the token is named and labeled, it's time to assign settings and a TP4 design file. Click the token to reveal its details, then head over to the Settings and TP4 Files tab. For each token, you can customize available profiles. Profiles are personal tags associated with unique settings and TP4 file configurations. For example, you could have a home profile and an office profile. Each profile will let you connect to a different Netlix controller and display a different design file. Name your profile, enter the Netlix IP or host address, the device ID which you would like TP Control to connect as, and all other available settings. Make sure to click Save when you're happy with the configuration. Add a TP4 design file by browsing, and it automatically appears in the TP4 file slot once uploaded. Looking at the top, ensure that the TP4 file and settings options are both enabled. Next, we need to assign a PIN to this token, which provides quick registration of a device. On the Main View Details tab, simply click to create a PIN. The best thing about TP Cloud is that you don't need to be near the device to upload the TP4 file and settings. Simply have the user download the app, visit TP Control in the device settings and turn on TP Cloud PIN to have a pop-up display within the app. Enter the PIN and the app automatically downloads your configuration, applies the settings and TP4 files, and if the AMX system is available, it connects. At any time, you can use the TP Cloud Update option within the device settings to recover the configuration for TP Control. This is handy, particularly if the original device is replaced, upgraded, or simply reset to factory default. You can be back up and running in no time. TP Cloud is a powerful tool, allowing for remote, flexible, and progressive deployment of automation solutions. With even more great features like personalized push message updates, file storage, team collaboration, sharing, and multi-TP4 file slot support, TP Cloud will help you save time and money.